Good morning, everyone. Today we got a G5 by Dell. Just got delivered the other day, and I'm doing an upgrade on my desktop computer. We're doing an unbox video right now. I'm excited to see what kind of contents is in here.
We haven't even looked inside yet.
Here we have a power cord. Get all the stuff over here. Mouse. Nice mouse.
Yeah, it is nice that it comes with a mouse and keyboard.
And I'll show you guys a close-up of each one of these. Of course, this is the keyboard. Oh wow!
Oh, it's pretty nice looking.
Here we have the tower. This is where we start taking the stuff out of the plastic.
The big unveiling.
Wow! This is the G5 by Dell. It's got 1, 2, 3 USB ports. It's got a port for the new universal phone chargers. It's got a microphone and a 3.5 microphone and 3.5 earphones headset. Let's look at this back over here. It's got this for the for your normal standard computer cable to monitor. It's got the USB port, and it's got a HDMI small and a HDMI. Wow, so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 4 more USB ports here, plus 2. I guess this is for whatever add-ons. It's got a telecommunication cable for like the phone data, and this is where your power port is at. Once again, we have here a 3.5 adapters for audio video cables or headsets. This will make a perfect gaming and video editing computer. And
Very nice looking front.
it's so how can I say, so techy, like mechanical looking. It's got these ridges that it's very tough, very industrial looking. It's makes you can't wait to plug it up because it's supposed to have a lid chassis up to 350 watts. This keyboard is extra lightweight. It has the little grippies on each corner. It has the stand on it for you to tilt it. It's going to be beautiful on this desk because it's made out of glass, so it does not slide. So that's everything that comes with this package. Of course, you have to go to Dell.com for the security and safety, and Dell.com for support, business support. And I can't wait to plug this up. Okay, so we're going to hook it up now. Got my power cable that comes with the tower. I had this monitor from a previous desktop that I had. It's also a Dell. Really good monitor, so I plan on keeping it. Lights came on, we're good. Now monitor. What I'm using this time is the HDMI cable from this monitor to the HDMI on the back of this tower. This has the lid chassis. 350 watts. Oh wow, look at that.
Oh, nice. That's really neat. I did not know it changed colors. Wow. Okay.
Here we go, Dell. Booting up. And this is where you actually go in and set up all your settings for to start. Alright, the only paperwork that came within this package for the G5 Dell was these little booklets, and one is for the warranty and safety regulatory information. We'll keep that. And also this little booklet. It's pretty much it right here, which I've already took you guys through.
Yep, just the basic setup instructions, just in case you weren't sure how to set it up, you know, what plugs to plug into where. And this does come with the Dell support that you can use if you need assistance.
You can go to Dell support, business support, Dell.com.
The startup lights look really cool.
Alright, I just wanted to mention some of the specs on the Dell G5 game desktop. It has a 10th generation Intel Core i5. It comes with a Windows 10 home operating system, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 video card, a 350 watt chassis with lighting, 8 gigs memory, and a 256 gigabyte hard drive.
Can't wait to try this out. Thanks so much for watching.